Hi mama, welcome back. Today I want to share the simple joy of using a manual breast pump and why so many moms love it. A manual pump may be small, but it brings comfort, control, and peace to your breastfeeding routine. One of the biggest joys is the gentle, natural rhythm. Because you control the pumping speed with your hand, you can adjust it to what feels best for your body. This makes pumping more comfortable, especially when your breasts are sensitive. Another joy is how quiet it is. A manual pump makes almost no sound, allowing you to pump anywhere, during nap time, at work, or even in the car, without drawing attention. The silence helps you relax, which can even improve milk flow. Manual pumps are also light and easy to carry. They fit in your bag with no batteries, no wires, and no charging needed. This freedom makes many moms feel confident knowing they can express milk anytime they need to. Cleaning is another part that brings relief.